Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a View Shop button on your Instagram profile. This button provides an easy way for users to browse and purchase items directly from your platform, making it convenient for both businesses and potential customers. To get started, you have to switch your personal account to a business account. To do that, simply go to your Instagram settings and then navigate to Account Type and Tools and choose Switch to Professional Account. Select the business option and continue setting up your account information. Next, go to your profile page and click on Edit Profile. Then navigate to the action buttons and choose to add a shop on your profile. And once you're done, go back to your profile page and in the bio section, type the text you want to display for the View Shop button, such as Shop Now or View Our Store or anything you want. So that's simply it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.